Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back.
Welcome back to my channel, Viegas. Today I'm going to cook steamed pompano. Here, I already cleaned the fish. This is steamed pompano. And I'm going to show you the ingredients. Of course, we need olive oil since it is steamed. Olive oil. And then whole black pepper. And then, of course, salt. And ground black pepper. And I'm going to show you the other ingredients here. This is onions guys, and tomato, bell pepper, ginger, garlic, and cilantro. This is my secret ingredient. Siya po yung nagpapasarap, yung cilantro. Masarap po. Ayan. So, first we need to put the olive oil para hindi po siya dumikit. I'm using klipat guys. Di ba po sa atin pag nagpapaksiw dapat po palayok kung sa sa Tagalog po. So klipat, ayan, if you have home goods, I find this home goods or TDG commercial across the US. I don't know in other country, but this one made of Italy. Ito po. Kasi hindi ko na po, while serving in the table, hindi ko na po siya tinatanggal dito. Nilalagyan ko na lang po siya ng underliner. Ayan, sa table. So, lagay po natin yung isda. Ayan po. Malaki siya. Actually, ginaganyan ko na lang. Kasi ang laki ng nabili namin. Ayan. So, yung po guys, bumibili kami nito. Actually, yung pampano by box in the restaurant dito is like 35 bucks. And then plus tax, 10 pesos. Pero ngayon, bumili lang po kami isa. Kasi nga hindi nakapunta doon. Walang time. Bumili po isa almost $10. See, if you buy one box, it's 10 pieces and only 35 bucks. And ito is almost $10, like 8. I don't know, my love is the one buy this. So andyan na siya. We need to put more olive oil. Anyways, this is olive oil, guys. It's healthy. So, para hindi po siya dumikit. Kasi hindi po tayo maglalagay ng water eh. So, yung lalabas na mga water dyan, yung sa ingredients. So, lagay po natin ang garlic. Ayan po, the garlic spread. Naghugas na po ako ng kamay. Nahulog siya. Malinis naman po. Okay. Then, other people, they are not putting ginger, but I put ginger because of yung lansa po. Ayan. Ang sarap nito, guys. This is my favorite because I love fish. And then, ilagay ko na din po yung bell pepper from the party. Ayan. O diba, napunta na tayo sa party. Nakakadala pa ng yan. And then, the onions. This is very simple, guys. Kung wala po kayong time madalian, this is the one you cook this. Ayan po. Because I love steam. Hindi po, minsan nagpapaksiw po ako pero hindi na po ngayon masyado kasi ayaw nga ng mga ng asawa ko yung and then, tomato. Ayan po, yun po yung lumalabas na water from the ingredients. Yan po ang lumalabas. Steam po natin yan. And then, later na po natin ilalagay yung cilantro para hindi po siya masyadong cook. Diba? And then, this is for washing, guys. And, of course, the black pepper, the ground black pepper, and the whole black pepper. Yan po, para po masarap siya. Ito po yung nagpapasarap talaga din. Papakita ko po sa inyo, guys, ha. Gusto kasi ni Happy, maraming. Nilagyan ko na ng salt since I put already salt. I just added little more salt from the this thing for the ingredients kasi nalagyan ko na yung ayaw ni my love ng masyadong salty. So I'll just add little bit more kasi mag-water yung yung ingredients natin. So and then black pepper. Ito po yung mga #1 brand kahit sa water po guys. Ito dito sa Kirkland sa US. Ayan. Masarap po din kasi pag may whole black pepper. Ayan. Alam niyo na po, maganda sa katawan. Ayan. And then, here I'm going to show you guys. Here we are. This is what we see. Okay. And then, 10 to 15 minutes natin i-steam po yan. 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So guys, while waiting, we are going to cut this. My favorite fruit ever, dragon fruit. Because nung nag-groceries kami, walang dragon fruit. So si my love, pag nakikita niya to, alam niyang gusto-gusto ko. Sana red sa loob. Kasi ayoko ng white. Dalawang kulay kasi ang dragon fruit ngayon is white tsaka red. So I hope this is red. I hope. I'll try and I'll see. Okay. Oh no, it's white. It's white guys. I like the red one. Kasi para siyang kiwi pag white. Ayan Kasi pag red, this is my favorite guys. This is almost 10 bucks. Isa lang. Pag red kasi, kasing kulay na ng ganito. Ayan ng ganito talaga. Gusto ko. Minsan lang yun. Tapos ang tamis. Ito kasi parang kiwi siya. Ginaganyan lang yan siya guys. My favorite fruits, mango, dragon fruit, lanzones, ayan guys, star apple, yung ba yun sa atin? Kaimito yun sa atin. Yan, kakainin natin mamaya pag nagutom sa live stream kasi kalimutan ko, nasa rip lang pala ito Yan siya guys, ginaganyan ko siya. So, 4 na lang, hiwa. Yan siya. Ang $10 is 500 guys. Kasi $3.99 per pound paborito ko. Kaya binibili ni my love. Ang laki na ng mukha ko guys. So, yan na. Habang hinihintay natin ang ating, here we go. Ganyan kasi ang kulay na gusto ko. Yung ganito talaga. Wala Alam ni my love yun. Hindi naman natin makita pagbili. Kaya yan na lang muna. Yan. So, ayan na guys. Nilagay ko na yung cilantro. Ayan. So, ganyan na siya. Tatakpan po natin ulit. Ayan. So, guys, titingnan na natin yung ating steamed pompano after 15 minutes. Here it is. Here it is. Ayan guys, luto na. Malalaman nyo pong luto na siya pag, ayan. Tsara na lang ginamit ko. Pagluto na po yung ingredients. So, it does mean, ayan na, diba? Nag-watery siya. Ayan, sarap. Bango, guys. This is so yummy. Ayan na siya. Diba? It's so easy. Bilis lang and healthy. Wag po laging vinegar. Ayan. Same pompano. Isang kain na lang po ito, guys. Kasi, pag fish, hindi ako masyadong nagra-rice. So, more on fish. Ayan. Pero tumataba pa rin. Ang sarap guys, luto na siya. By the way guys, it should be on a slow fire only. Dahan-dahan lang po ang apoy. Dahan-dahan lang po. Number 2 lang po yung nilagay ko. After siyang like number 5 first, then nang start boil na siya, so inilagay ko sa number 2. Okay? If sa tingin niyo hindi pa rin siya luto hanggang like 15 minutes kasi nga slow fire, malalaman niyo naman po pag luto na ang mga ingredients. Ayan So, itas min luto na yan, guys. Ayan na. So, yummy na. Kainan na. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please subscribe if hindi pa po kayo nakaka-subscribe. And click the notification bell so you will be notified for my next video. Ayan. Chop, chop, mom. God bless us all. Bye.